哦，直播开始了，不跟你们说嘞，发错了。开始了吗？开始了。Hi, welcome back. Welcome to Colorado. And here we are printing. So we are now printing for new subscribers. Any new subscriber, just let us know. And we will print for you and make the shorts and post it in the YouTube channel, okay? That is the deal. This is Tina. Welcome all of you. Here we are printing the sock by using the seamless digital printer.
进入直播间之后，他那个直播时间直接跳到130多分钟了。
那你也不用管它呀。So here we go. This will be a very beautiful sock. Let's see what's on the sock to be printed. You see here? You see? It is a nice lady. The beauty and the rose. So here the precision. Here is the precision for the printing quality. This is the outlook. So what do you think about this outlook? The eyelashes, wow. So detailed, so much details, and it just shows on the sock, on the printing sock. You see the sharp line and the hair. Actually, this is a painting. This is a drawing from my nephew. And here, I send it to the oven. And after just 5 minutes later, we can see it. It will be totally dried and 100% cured. So let's check out how the color finally looks like. Is that vibrant? I think so. Okay, so here, actually, we are now standing here in our workshop, and we are Colorado, and we are the manufacturer of the seamless digital printer. And here beside me is the new upgraded printer, the 4 rollers. It highly improved the efficiency for the production. Okay, so today we are printing the sock to show you how this printer works. And also welcome all of you to follow us. And for the new subscribers, we will print for you. Just leave the comments in the comment area, and we will, once we see it, we will print for you. And all your ideas, all your requests, we will turn to the printed sock, and we will post it in the YouTube channel here in Colorado. And you will see your request. You will see your request turning to the printed sock to be posted, okay? Thank you so much for today watching our live. So here, I just show you how to print, and with the printing, you have a little bit steps needs to be followed. The first needs to load up the sock. So once you load up the sock, you need to be sure the heel part needs to be flat. And the gouge, the knitting gouge needs to be straight. Okay, here we go. We continuously print. Once I simple click for the printing button, it will start printing. Hey, David. Hi, welcome. Hi. Oh, I saw Garmin. Can you print a picture is way easier or not, or no? You can. Yes, for sure. We can print a picture just directly. Just need to adjust the measurement of the picture with the certain measurement. So here we go. You see, we are now printing the nice lady. And here actually it's a piece of the drawing. And here we just turn it to the printing sock. So just easy. Once you get the picture, you get this painting and take the picture and make that picture with the certain measurement and then upload it to the software. You can print directly. Hey, Joey, hi. Yes, nice details, thank you. Yes, you found it. So really the eyelashes and also you see in deep of her eyes, it's really something there, right? And she's thinking. So it's not a simple just printing image, but it's just like a live something telling you the story and what's her experience. Hey, David. Hey, welcome. I really want to customize a pair. Yeah, okay, that's no problem. Just you can leave your message there in our shots, whatever shots we just posted, and you comment there. You comment there, and then we will see it, and let's check it out. So give us your idea. We can print for you, okay? And now I'm going to send this to the oven and check it out, how to cure it, and also how it looks after the cure process. And here is the oven with the conveyor system. It sends the sock one by one automatically to the oven. And once it comes out, it just drops automatically to the carton below and the finish, the whole process. Okay, this is for the cure process. So the cure process for that oven heating is effected for the cotton material with the pigment ink and also for the polyester material. Okay, here I already got it. So this is the cured, and you can see the color and the nice dress here she wears. So the color is vibrant, right? So can you imagine that the cotton material can do this very vibrancy color? Even the rose. Hi, Textile Digital Printing Vlog. Hey, welcome here. Yeah, so here we will bring you a quite new world to recognize how the seamless digital printing world is. So anything you can imagine, just turn it to the artwork and use that artwork, you can print on the sock. So the sock is not the traditional idea, the knitting sock, but in any innovative item, the idea. So just turn it into the picture and send it to us. We can print for you. So it's just easy. In a few minutes, you can finish one pair of socks. Okay, so during our live, if anyone wants any picture you wanted to print, just let us know. And later, we can print and post it to the shots. And you will see it in our YouTube channel. And here, this is the design. This is a random picture we picked up from the website. It is a peacock. So let's check it out, how the color is this one, okay? Okay, just print. It will start. Just that simple. Hey, Joey, thank you for your question. The studio of the if this it's very sensitive picture, then I don't suggest you to use that. If it is your own design, no problem at all. If it is the AI picture, and no problem. Okay. Okay, the peacock is done. So you could see from here, once it is due on the roller, you could see here the feathers near the eyes, it has some gradient color, right? So all the details, and here the body part of these feathers, different layers, and the gradient colors. Yeah, so Joey, let us know, and you can comment there in our any posted shots and leave your email address, and let's communicate, okay? Let's communicate in details further. Here we go. Now, let's see, once we put it out from the roller, how the details it is. Does that look like a real peacock? Okay, you've already imagined. Yes. Exactly. So once you have any ceremony or the friend's birthday, you can think about it to use the printed sock as the gift to give them a surprise. And you see here the details, the colors. So much colors involved, right? And also the image has a very high precision. You see? Hi, Brian. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you so much. Any washing machine restriction? No, actually, okay, Joey, I'd like to explain a little bit more here. So what I'm grabbing here, this is the cotton sock. This is the cotton sock, and it is printed by the pigment ink. And so far, actually, pigment ink is the new upgraded item, the technology we're using, and we're still testing. So the washing color fastness, it is good. It is reaching grade 4.差不多了，可以了。So the color fastness to washing, it is almost okay because it is already grade 4. Just the problem is that the rubbing color fastness for the dry rubbing and wet rubbing, it reaches like grade 3 maximum. And for the darker color, sometimes it is grade 2 to 3. Okay, and for the polyester material, and just after the heating up, the color fastness for both washing and the rubbing, it could reach like grade 4. And even the worst one, the darker color, it just could reach like grade 3 to 4. So it is no restriction for the washing. Thank you, Joey. Thank you. Yes, it is really like a kind of a new item, and now it's just a new industry and raising up, actually. So you could just consult us and leave your message, leave your contact information there under the comments in any shots we've posted. You can comment there and leave your email address, or you can visit our website, www.coloradotech.com, and there you can find our email address and write email for us, okay? Thank you so much, Joey. Yeah, and also don't forget, very important one is subscribe us, okay? So any idea we can print for you and we will post in the next shots. And also thanks for, thank you for Brian and David, thank you. Okay, how long it does to take a print a pair of socks? Okay, here, what you just saw, what I printed for this sock, actually it is done by this 4-roller, and we set it up with the 8 colors printing solution. So the time for printing one sock, it costs 30 seconds. But the printing speed could be adjusted. And if you print it with the 4 colors, if you print for the 4 colors, and the maximum, the fastest speed could reach 7 to 8 seconds per piece. Yeah, can you imagine that just 7 to 8 seconds, one piece of the sock could be printed. So that is the time cost for printing one piece of the sock. Yes, you can. You can print your girlfriend's photo, no problem. And I suggest you to print your girlfriend and you all together, okay? Yes, we can. Just consult us and give your idea and send us the picture and we will print. If you don't mind, and we will just post it and next time in our shots and you will see it and send that video to your girlfriend, okay? Bring her a big surprise. Okay, now we're going to send this to the oven, okay? To check it out, how the color finally looks like. Hi, Anno. Yes, sure, no problem. I will show you. Okay, before that, here you are seeing the oven. That is the part of the relative equipment to work together with the printer. So all the printed sock, after printing, you need to send to this oven and go inside to the oven. Once they turn it out, 5 minutes later, it will be 100% cured, okay? And here, behind me here, this is the machine. This is the printer. So you can see, here you can see it is with the 4 rollers. Okay? So during printing, the rollers will rotate automatically without stop. So once you set it up with the certain quantity of your order, it will go printing at this position always. And the operator will stand here always, and this roller will turn one by one after printing. So non-stop printing. That's why this printer, it could reach like a maximum 90 pairs per hour, 90. Okay, so here we go. What you need is only a piece of the blank sock. Yeah, and then load up to the roller. And once you're loading up, you need to be a little bit careful that these parts needs to be all printed, so needs to be loaded up evenly. And then the knitting gauge of this sock needs to be straight, very straight, cannot be slanting, cannot. Okay, here it's a little bit slanting, so you need to adjust it. adjust it back, and keep it straight, as much straight as it can. And here we go. We got it. And small adjustment. And this printing starting point is always at the center back of the heel. Okay, now it is done. So this is the laser. This is the laser to assist me to give the proper position for the ending of printing. Okay, like this, it will be set it down. Okay, we go for printing. What kind of the design you like? Sunflowers, okay? Let's print a sunflower. So here, printing starts. And now with this machine, we set it up with 8 colors in pigment ink. So the printing time lasts a little bit long. But if you would choose 4 colors, it will be faster. And also based on current printing solution, you also could adjust the printing speed. Okay, here we go. Now you see the sunflowers. Actually, it's a kind of the painting. We just take the picture from this painting and made this design. So print on the sock. So actually, logically, it's anything you could print. You see how vibrant the color is. And also the inside of the sunflowers, the seeds there, the line, the very thin line is so sharp, right? I saw Brian has the question. 你可以拍着这个，在我读的时候。The pattern of soil can be changed. Yes, exactly, Brian, you got it. So actually, any picture you can just print, you can just make it the design in any measurement, but the width of the artwork needs to be certain. So let's say 25 centimeter is the width, and the length is based on how long of your sock is. If you have the very short sock, and then you just make the short design, short artwork. And if you have a very long sock, let's say your sock, after stretching, load up to the roller, it could reach like 47, 48. Then you make the pattern based on 47, 48. Okay, that is the length of the artwork. So this is the printing outlook. And this actually, with this machine, what I'm talking specifically with this machine, the 4 rollers, we could print like the sock and the sleeve cover. You see the sleeve cover? Yeah, and with our other model of the printer, you could print other applications like what I'm wearing here. This is the yoga suits, right? The yoga leggings. This is the seamless yoga leggings, and it's also printed by our printer, just different model with the bigger roller. Yeah. So what I'm wearing, it's the seamless yoga legging printed by our machine. Just different model of the machine with different applications. Like here, this one has a very long roller, right? And with this long roller, you could print the ladies' stocking. Yeah, very long one and the thin one. So no problem. And also for the football socks, you could print. The over-knee socks, you could print by this machine. So different model of the printer, you could print with different applications. And also, we have like here, follow me? Here, actually, it's the 2 rollers, the 2 rollers machine. And with adjustable, the roller diameter, you could print either it is the adult sock, or it is the toddler sock, or even the newborn baby sock. So with different model of the printer, you could print anything, anything. So I'm gonna to send this to the oven and heat it. You see? And this is the polyester material sock. And with the flower, you see how vibrant color it is after curing. So if you have any question during the live, and you could let me know, and just type it in the comment area, okay? And we can discuss, we can talk, we can chat during the live. And anything you wanted to print, just let me know. Send me the message. And here, okay, I can see, I'm gonna to open my cell phone. Yeah. Hey, thank you. Thank you, guys. So if you have any question, just let Tina know. And with your request, you can just leave the message there during our live, and I can see it, okay? So far, no comments? No questions? Okay. So someone might ask what kind of the material you could print. Actually, it could print any material, like the polyester, the cotton, the bamboo, the wool, the nylon, everything, everything. Okay, so without any questions at this moment, we are going to print. Let's see what we are gonna to print. Okay. Finally, it is Friday, right? So European audience, you're ready for the nice holiday, the weekend? Hope you all will have a nice weekend and enjoy it. So with any material of the sock, you could print. And here, let's check it out. Nice girl. And she is so happy. I can see it. I can see it. She is so happy and with a big eyes. But now it seems that the color is not so obvious to see, right? That's heat it up. So after heating, the color will jump out. And I got the sunflower. You see? 等一下呀。
它自动会变焦的，点了之后它就。
好吧 ，Now you see. Okay. So what you need to do is just load up this up and simple click to print. And it will continuously printing without any stop. Once you feel that you cannot catch the machine, and then you can just click pause. So the roller is rotating and the cartridge is moving with the head carrying the head to spray. And during our live, we will print anything you wanted to see. You can just let us know and we could print for you, okay? So with any innovation, with any innovative idea, you just let us know and it can just turn to the printed sock. And the small tips here I'd like to show you. Here, once you found, during printing, you found the regular lines occurs, it means something went wrong with the print head. So the head stator is not good enough. So how to make it better? How to cure the head status? Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Okay. I need a piece of paper. I need a piece of paper to check the head status. And once the paper which wrapped to the roller, it gets stained color, and then like this, it needs to be replaced. Okay, we replace the paper and put it on the roller and wrap it tightly. And use this tape. Use this tape to fasten the paper and fix it. Yeah, like this. And then it will not so easy to move during the roller is rotating. Then we get it back. Okay, so by using here, this software we have check. Just check it. And then let's check it out, how the head status it is. So how to judge if the print head is with good status or not? You see, here it's the problem. You see, this one, it means the head is so good. The lines are sharp. And here, the lines are mess, right? And here the black color also not good enough. And here missing just one line, the orange color. Okay, let's clean the head. So how to clean? Here, just easy click. Just easy click here, clean. And with the two heads and normal. Then you see it starts automatically for cleaning. You see the caping? And now with loading up the ink, later you will see the ink flows in this pipe, the ink pipe. Once it's loading ink, the ink will flow there. And now you see there has the bubble, right? It means some air in it. So it needs to be get the air out. And it will clean again. Let's see. Now, you hear anything? There is loading ink. Now you see the ink flows here inside the pipe. So that means that the head is not clogged. 拍到两个喷头。Okay, now cleaning is finished, and we check again. And now check the head status. It will go here for printing again. Later we can compare. Okay, here we go. Let's check it out if the status improved. Okay, here you see this head status compare with the previous. Is that good? Get better, right? A little bit better. And the black color compare with this one. Is that better? The answer is definitely yes. And here it's not good enough. But here the orange color compare with the previous one, it is better, right? So you could just wash it again. But here we just print. And during the printing, it will just get the ink flows out and it might improve. Okay, so we print. So once you found anything just quite not normal, it's abnormal during printing, you have to stop and check out the head stitchers first. That is very important tips during printing. If anything happens with the strange color coming out or with abnormal things happened with the image you printed, and then check the head stitchers as the first step. Once you found the lines are not connecting each other, then clean it. Clean the head first to try and check it out if the status can getting better. Okay. And now you could see with this printing image and here, you could not see the regular line, right? So it means the stitchers getting better. and you can continuously printing. And once you pull it out, you cannot just let the sock opening bounce back. Cannot just bounce back, but have to be jack back of this paper and the other hand pull out, and at the edge of this finishing, and then just slide smoothly like this. Yeah, that will be good. Otherwise, the ink will fly during the bouncing, okay? Here it is what we printed just now, the good vibes. Okay, thank you very much for the audience who is watching our live, and also thanks all the audience that who subscribe us, follow us. Here is Tina, and thank you so much. Our live will be held twice a week, and one time will be at the middle of the week. So Wednesday, the European morning time, and for the West American time will be the Tuesday midnight. And the second time will be today, Friday morning time in European, and the West American time will be the Thursday midnight. Thank you so much for being with us and watch our live. This is Tina, and I'd like to show you how our printer works during the live, okay? So if you have any innovative idea or any request, you just let us know during the live, and we will print for you later and post it into the shorts. You will see the requested image printed on the sock. Okay? So if you have any idea, just let us know. Uh-oh. So once you wrap this paper, you have to use the tape. You have to use the tape to fasten it. Otherwise, it will move and it will impact further your option during printing. Okay? So, Tina hoped that with these small tips, it could help a little bit for you during the printing. So once you grab the paper and wrap it to the roller, and don't forget, fasten it. Use the tape. The tape helps a lot to fasten it, and it will not easy to move. So once you load up the sock, check the whole round. If the whole round is with the proper position, and then you could start printing. And now, let's print this parrot, okay? Anyone like the parrot? Let's print for it, the smart parrot. Here, Tina would like to thank all the audience coming to our live. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe us, okay? And we are the manufacturer of the seamless digital sock printer. All the printers are produced by us. And we have already the experience for these seamless digital printer for around over 10 years actually. And in the last 10 years, we have been focused on the researching and manufacturing for these printers, which could print this nice and vibrant color of the design. Any innovative idea, it could just turn it into reality and turn it into the sock. So with any tubular items, even like this legging, and it could print. Just it is the seamless tube. It's seamless tube, and then you can just load up to the roller and print. And after that, you just do the cut and sew. That's it. Okay. So for the typical example is the sock. So the socks are ordinary to see. The socks are ordinary to see in the daily life. So you see how the precision of the image is. This parrot, the different layers of the feathers, and with the feathers, the shadow, the shades, the dark color, and also with the colorful feathers, the different multiple color gradients. Here, you could just show it from the printed sock. You see. So it's really like the 3D printing, right? Do you like it? If you like it, we will print next still the parrots, okay? Anyone like it? And also you can just let me know. And I can send you one pair of these parrot socks by free. Okay, so loading up the sock is just that simple. You just load it and ensure the heel part will be straight and flat. That's it. Okay, then easy click. Print, then it will start printing. And this printing speed could be adjusted. So you wanted to print faster, you adjust it to be faster. If you think it is too fast, and then you just adjust it to be slower. So any speed, it could just reach to your request. Another one is done. Okay. Another one is done. I really like these parrots. The vibrancy of the color and the different layers and the gradient colors from here, the forehead of these parrots till the necks and the whole body. You see. Let's heat it up. So what I'm printing, these are cotton socks. Cotton socks. So with this oven, it has the conveyor. It has the conveyor system. So I just need to hang it to the hook, and it will drive these socks directly to the oven. And this period, this process needs around 3 to 5 minutes. It needs around 3 to 5 minutes. And this one, you see a little bit dirty of this paper. So once I load up the white socks, this ink might stain the white sock of the inside. So I need to replace it and change it. Here, once you wrap this roller, you need to be sure that the sock will be wrapped tight to the roller. Cannot be loose, okay? Otherwise, it will move during printing because the roller will have a high speed rotating during the printing. It spirals. It spirals. Here we go. Load up this sock and get it to the proper position. And the gouge is straight and the surface is flat in the whole round. You see, the whole round, especially the heel part, needs to be straight and flat. Okay, that's it. So we could print now. Let's print this beautiful lady, okay? This actually coming from a painting. Yeah, the little girl just painted, just draw it and colored it as a painting. And I took the picture for this painting, and now I just print it. So we're going to print, and we load up the enough sock. 那个我的袜子好了吗？再帮我看一下。好了吗？Yeah. Here we go. Print. Now it will start. I really expecting to see how the color it is for this beautiful lady after heating. So let's check out how vibrant this color would be and how beautiful this lady looks like, okay? If anyone has the same curiosity as me, wow, I love this lady's hair. I really love it. You see, her makeup. The lips color, nice. And also the eyelashes. A very fashion and modern lady, right? Okay, let's check out. Okay, so we wait for 5 minutes, and after that we will see. And next, we print. What kind of the idea you're gonna? Yeah, we print for this peacock, or let's print for this one. Okay, we print for this peacock.它已经在打印了。And now I can see the peacock's feathers. It's with very vibrant color. I could imagine how beautiful this peacock is. So exciting. Yeah. I like this blue, the royal blue color. Smoothly, yes, smoothly. Get it out, pull it out. You see how color it is. And let's also heat it up to check out the final color. And now the previous one is almost ready. So let's check out the beautiful lady. How beautiful she is. Now you see it is coming out. Yeah, let's get it and see. Okay. She wears a hat and her nice makeup and with the rings in details and necklace, fashion dress, and she's standing in front of the the backside of the rose wall. She's just standing in front of the rose. You see? The red rose, the pink rose. It's really nice. And this is the cotton socks. This is the cotton sock, printed sock. How do you think the color? How do you think the color it is? Okay. Then let's try other different design. Let's check it out, different design, okay? And see how the color it is. I still love to print this parrot. Okay, let's check out the parrot. Okay, and it starts. Okay, so what I'm grabbing in my hands is the previous peacock I printed. So now it is dry. It is totally dried. It just costs 3 minutes and a half. And you see, after printing, even the cotton material still could get so vibrant color. You see her feathers, right? The gradient color, even the single piece of the feather, and it has multiple colors involved, but each of the color, it has sharp line, and with the tiny, tiny, small feathers, you still could see the details, right? And even here, the eyes, the eye part has a very dark color shades, but you still could see the details here. So this is the cotton sock effected with the pigment ink. Yeah. Here we show you that even the cotton material, it could with the short process. And normally we have the cotton material in reactive ink, but it needs a very long process. So after printing, it needs to be dried first, and then it needs to be steamed. And after steaming, it needs to back to the dryer and dry again. And after drying again, it needs to be sent for the washing finishing. So many process involved, and it costs a long period. So which means the total cost will be higher. But now we are finding out the solution with the pigment ink. So after printing, it just needs to be heated. Then the whole process will be done. Just that simple, okay? So here is the effect, how good of this image quality it is. And here we are going to send this parrot, okay, to the oven. 那你去烘帮我放一个，放一下，直接进去好嘞。So once one design is finished, and you could continuously printing with the 一直转圈圈，小胡。Hello everyone. Hi, this is Tina. Welcome back to Colorido channel. Here is the YouTube channel Colorido. And welcome all of you to come and see us, okay? And this is Tina. What happens here? What happens here? There's a monster, I heard. Yeah, okay, so I'm kidding. Okay, this is Tina, and welcome to Colorido channel. And here is our live broadcast. And our live broadcast will be held twice a week. And one time will be held at the European time, Wednesday morning, in the morning time, around 7 to 9 o'clock, depends on what kind of the exact area. And in the West American time will be the Tuesday midnight. And the second time will be Friday European morning time, and West American time will be the Thursday midnight. And welcome all of you to come and see us. And here we are showing who we are, what we do, and what this printer could do. And in the last paragraph and in the live, we showed you that how to. And here, what you are watching now is the Colorado YouTube channel, and this is Tina. And you're watching is the live broadcast. Sorry for the signal, it's not stable at all. So just now we just lost all of you. And here we're back. And thank you so much for subscribe us and follow us. Please just subscribe us and follow us. With the new subscriber, we will print for you. So with any new subscriber, if you have any request for any designs, just let us know and we will print for you, okay? Yeah, and today we are showing you how to operate this printer. And with this, it is the sock or this kind of the sleeve cover. This is the sleeve cover. The applications could be printed by this printer, and the hour per hour, the output per hour could reach like 55 pairs to 86 pairs, even 90 pairs per hour. It could reach it. So it is a very high efficiency production printer. Yeah, so it will be a good choice for you. So if anyone has the interest for this printer, just consult us. So how to consult us? And you can subscribe us, and here in any shots or videos we uploaded here, we posted in the YouTube channel. And you can just comment with leave your message with your email address or your cell phone, or you can just visit our website and you can consult our email address. Our website is www.coloradotech.com. So welcome all of you. And with this printer, actually you could print polyester material, cotton material, bamboo material, nylon material, wool material. So everything you could print, you could just print it. Just different material will use the different ink. Like the polyester, we use the sublimation, the disperse ink. And with the cotton, we use the reactive ink. And with the nylon, we use the acid. With the wool material, we use the acid ink. And with bamboo, it is same fiber as the cotton, so we use the reactive ink. Yeah, different inks will bring you the different colors, of course. Yeah, the colors might be a little bit different, but for sure that all the colors on every material will be vibrant. Like what we showed you here, even with the cotton material, but with the pigment ink, it could reach like this kind of the vibrancy. You see? And also here, the peacock, so vibrant, right? Even the feathers here. Yeah. So with this kind of different printing solution and with the different ink, with different on the affected to the different material, you can print any material. And also with our designed printer, with different models of the printer, you could print in different applications. So this sock It's just one of the typical example. And also it could print like the sleeve covers, and also the buff covers, buff scarves, and also the beanies, and even like what I'm wearing, these leggings, yeah, the seamless leggings. It is made by the tube. So the tube printed, and then we cut and sew to make the leggings. So all these kind of the knitting tubular items, it could be printed by our printer. Just different model of printer with different applications. So any interest from you, just let us know. I'd like to help and work out the solution for you, okay? Yeah, and our live will be held twice a week. So just and pay more attention for this live broadcast time. And for European customers, European friends, and you can just focus on the every Wednesday and Fridays morning time around 7 to 10 a.m. and we will be here. So at any time during that period, you could see us. And for the American people, that we will be here for the live at every Tuesday and Thursday, the midnight. Yeah, sorry for that late, but hope this time will be available for all of us. Okay, so if you have any question, just let us know, and we will print for the new subscriber. If you subscribe us, and just let us know you are the new subscriber, and tell us your idea with the item you wanted to print, and we could print for you, and we will make the shots, and you will see it later. Okay? Yeah. So this is Tina, and welcome all of you. Just follow us. Thank you so much. And I'll be expecting from you with your email. Okay? Okay, see you next time. So far for today. Bye.